The aflatoxin and fumonisin tests, which Charm refers to as AFQ and FUMQ, use the same buffer solution and the same extraction method, which means they can be prepared at the same time. The buffer bottles will have different labels, but contain the same chemical and will share the same lot code. Begin by filling several centrifuge vials with one pump, which is 1 milliliter, of aflatoxin or fumonisin buffer, and then allow them to reach room temperature. At a time, you should prepare no more than you will need by the end of the shift. If you need the buffer sooner, you can warm it in the palm of your hand. Tear the seal from a whirl pack and place it on the balance. Then press 0 to tear the balance. Fill the whirl pack with 50 grams of flour. The base of the whirl pack should open, and it should stand on the balance as you fill it. The tolerance is within 1 gram of 50 grams. Fill the whirl pack with 100 milliliters of 70% methanol, which should be 4 pumps at 25 milliliters each. Close the whirl pack, then roll down the top and secure the twist ties. Shake the sample for at least 1 minute, but no more than 2 minutes, to assist with extraction. Let the sample sit for at least 1 minute to let the particles settle. Use a disposable pipette to collect some of the liquid extract and place it in a centrifuge tube. Place the centrifuge vial in the centrifuge along with another vial of liquid to keep it balanced. Then turn the power on and close the lid. Let the sample centrifuge for at least 10 seconds. Turn off the power to the centrifuge and let the centrifuge slow down to a stop before opening the lid again. The extract should now be clarified, and most of the particulate should be at the bottom of the vial. Use the 100 microliter pipette with a brand new yellow tip to transfer 100 microliters of the clarified extract into a vial containing 1 milliliter of aflatoxin or fumonisin buffer. Shake the vial thoroughly to mix the two together. After the diluted extract is mixed, draw the contents of the vial into a 1 milliliter syringe. Then attach a microsart RC15 filter to the end of the syringe and inject the diluted extract into an empty centrifuge vial. Discard the vial for the unfiltered extract. Open up a purple aflatoxin test strip and a lime green fumonisin test strip to the peel to here line, and then place them into the slots on the bed of the incubator. Use the 300 microliter pipette with a fresh blue tip to inoculate each of the strips with 300 milliliters of the clarified diluted extract. Make sure to seal each of the strips after they've been inoculated. Close the lid on the incubator to start the countdown timer. Remove the strips when the timer goes off. Insert one of the test strips into the port at the base of the reader. Use the Next and Previous buttons on the reader to select the proper channel for the test. AFLA-SL for aflatoxin, or FUM for fumonisin. Press the down arrow to select the matrix, and use the Previous and Next buttons to select the appropriate matrix for your test. Press the Enter button to begin the test. When the test is finished, the results will display on screen, and a ticket will print as a record of the results. Press the button on the side of the printer to advance the ticket tape so that the ticket can be removed. If the quantity of your first test result ends in a plus, you'll need to dilute your extract a second time and run the test again on a different matrix. Prepare another vial with 1 milliliter of buffer solution. Then use a 300 microliter pipette to transfer 300 microliters of your previous diluted extract into the buffer solution. Shake to stir. Incubate as normal. Run the test again on the same channel, but using the next matrix in numerical order.